Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade for kids. First, let's gather our simple ingredients and tools. You'll need 6 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. For equipment, grab a large pitcher and a reliable lemon juicer. Having these ready makes the process smooth and fun for everyone involved. It's a refreshing treat that's easy to prepare. Now that you have your lemons, it's time to get that delicious juice out. Carefully cut each of your 6 lemons in half. Using your juicer, squeeze all the juice from the lemon halves into a separate bowl. Be sure to remove any seeds or large pieces of pulp that might fall in. This step ensures your lemonade will be smooth and enjoyable for little ones. With your fresh lemon juice ready, let's combine everything. Pour the 1 cup of sugar directly into the bowl with the lemon juice. Stir this mixture thoroughly until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, transfer this sweet lemon concentrate into your large pitcher. Then, add the 4 cups of cold water. Give it another good stir to ensure all ingredients are perfectly blended. Your homemade lemonade is almost ready. Before serving, give it a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, you can add a little more sugar, stirring until dissolved. Now, add plenty of ice cubes to your pitcher or directly into individual glasses. For a special touch, garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your refreshing, kid-friendly lemonade.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.